How to fix the launching experience problem in Roblox, and because of this problem, if you talk about, you can play with your friends on Roblox, and many users are facing this issue. Talk about this, usually this can be a bug, and if you talk about, there can be some solution about this. So watch this video till the end to understand how you can solve this problem and play games easily on Roblox again. So go to the settings, and in settings you have to go to the app section, and here uh, you should go in the manage app section, and here search Roblox, and from here you can see the storage. So what you have to do, you have to clear data from here, clear all data, delete all data. Now you have to go to the Roblox app again, and you have to log in again. So you have to log in again in the app, and if you see this problem still happening, then you should uninstall the app, then install it again from the Play Store, and try to log in and play the game. If the problem you have to persist, you should, if you talk about, contact to the Roblox on their various platform, and reach out to them to support in this problem.